the public arena after a 3-month coronavirus hiatus.
Yep, dropping straight on top of him. Oh, he's decent. No! Oh. Oh. Right. Well, I'm back. It's been a hell of a long time since I last uploaded the video. That's mostly because of a massive spate of just terrible, scary fishing trips. It's that time. The longer days are here, the temperature's up, the silverfish have cometh. We're gonna crack the meter mark today, and it's, nah, I'm kidding, the wind's too much. Let's go do something else. Nope. I'm not casting into that. Nah. Hell nah. And there was also another life-changing event that happened where we've spontaneously packed up from sunny old Queensland, left my bass and tuna behind, and we're now down in little old Tasmania, which is a little island off the southeast coast of Australia. And look, the fishing was very different. And just as I started attempting it, after we got settled in down here, this little old this little old incident, the global incident, which was the pandemic, happened. And I've missed pretty much all of the trout season, which I was most looking forward to when I came down here. And yeah, I got 1 trout out of that, which is, it's something, I'll take it. The YakHunters round was cancelled, most like everything, really. Competitions or otherwise. So everything's only just opened up down here about a week ago, and we're now out doing the first fish of the month post-COVID, which is bream. And yeah, I'm gonna see what fishing in Tassie is all about. Come on, you bastard. I can see us down there. I have to double check my photo, but I'm pretty sure that one went 34. Yeah.
What was your first one?
33.
I went about 32.5.
Oh!
I still didn't beat your first one.
They're all pretty consistent. I've had a, what was it? I had a 31, a 33. That one I got before would have been about a 28. And then there was that one, which was a 34.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. It's only taken 6 months for one productive session. Oh.
Take it.
Yes.
Oh,
No.
he f***ing bats me off.
Oh no.
Not me vibe.
No. Not the borrowed vibe. I hopefully won't get busted up. I've got my drag so loose because
That was my problem then. I had it so loose so I tightened it.
yeah, I know. I've got it so loose because besides the fact that this is the one vibe that's the right size for this. I've got hooks on it that are made of cheese, so.
I don't even know if I brought the lead material.
I've got some here if you want it. Black magic, mate. Oh, tap then. You see, what's happened is...
Well, if you stop catching fish for 5 minutes, you can tie my lead for me if you want.
I can if you want.
It'll take me longer than it will you.
Yep. Sorry, I can't stop catching fish. So Tassie fishing is a little different to Queensland fishing. It's you've got your species like Black Bream and trout, so more your small game trophy fish. That doesn't mean that we won't be getting into tuna. There's not much of a scene down here for it because there's a unique problem down here that we don't really have in Queensland, which is seals. Now, seals scare me a lot more than sharks did. I've had one run in and it was still only about 30 meters away with one large seal, and we weren't even in open water, and that was enough for me. However, I will be experimenting and toying with the idea of maybe trying some really close inshore tuna fishing, or maybe lucking some on the north coast. It's not normally where they're caught, but if we can luck out there, then we don't have to worry as much with the seal problem, because quite obviously a shark will chase the fish on your line. It won't chase it into your kayak, and it's not really ideal when you've got a 200 kilo big sea doggo trying to get whatever fish you have in your kayak. Not great, suboptimal. Got your trophy species like fish on. It's really hard to film any sort of talking or intros or anything, because that seems to be the time that the fish want to be caught. This is going to be the most productive session I've had in well over a year. It's amazing. I'm quite a fan of this Tassie fishing, to be honest. Ooh.